Welcome to Mechanical Guru, the channel where real engineering and powerful machines come alive. Today we explore the moving floor's hydraulic jack, a system that plays a vital role inside MDF plants. At first glance it looks simple, but without it, the entire production line could stop. The moving floor system is designed to handle bulk materials like wood chips and fibers. Inside large silos and storage bins, raw material must constantly flow into the production line. The challenge is that wood fibers can compact, bridge and block the silo discharge. This causes slowdowns, stoppages and costly downtime. That is where the moving floor hydraulic jack comes in. It ensures material moves smoothly, evenly and continuously, without manual labor or interruptions. How does it work? At its core, the system uses powerful hydraulic cylinders connected to floor panels. These panels shift back and forth in a precise sequence. As one set of panels pushes forward, the raw material slides toward the discharge point. Then the panels retract and reset, while another set moves forward. This back and forth cycle repeats endlessly, creating a controlled flow of material. It is simple in concept, but brilliant in execution. A few hydraulic jacks can move hundreds of tons of material quietly and efficiently. In MDF plants, this system feeds wood chips into dryers, conveyors and presses. Without moving floors, operators would constantly fight with blockages or rely on large conveyors that require more space and maintenance. Hydraulic jacks solve this problem with compact design, high power and extreme reliability. They operate slowly but with incredible force, making them perfect for continuous operation day and night. Maintenance is equally important. Proper oil levels, valve calibration and seal checks keep the hydraulic system strong. Regular inspection of bearings, pins and floor panels ensures smooth motion and prevents uneven wear. With correct care, moving floors last for years with very little downtime, which makes them one of the most cost-effective systems in the MDF industry. The moving floor hydraulic jack may not be the loudest or fastest machine in the plant, but it is one of the most important. It quietly powers the flow of raw material that keeps the whole line alive. Small in appearance, massive in impact, and essential for the continuous production of MDF boards. This is real industrial engineering in action. If you enjoy exploring the hidden machines that drive industries forward, subscribe to Mechanical Guru and join me for more powerful insights from inside the factory.